Blockbuster dates, April 10th, 2002. And he's a tableside celebrity. Album was put on July 26th, 1999.
Coming soon to theaters.
Following previous after VHS and Motion Picture Association America.
You know the accident there?
Yeah.
Someone got hurt.
They did?
A lady. She broke her neck.
Oh my god, but you can see her?
Yes.
Where is she?
Standing next to my window.
Baby, what are you shaking? Cole, what's wrong?
Did you ever talk to your mom about how things are?
I don't tell her things.
Why not?
Because she doesn't look at me like everybody else, and I don't want her to. I don't want her to know.
Know what?
I see dead people walking around like regular people.
I don't see anything. Are you sure they're there?
Sometimes you feel it inside, like you're falling down real fast. You ever feel the prickly things on the back of your neck?
Yes.
That's them. They get mad. It gets cold.
How often do you see them?
All the time. They're everywhere. They want me to do things for them.
I think that they know that you're one of these very rare people who can see them. So you need to help them.
What if they don't want help?
I don't think that's the way it works.
How do you know for sure?
Is anyone there?
Please make them leave.
The Sixth Sense. Coming soon. Following previous after VHS and Motion Picture Association America.
When Roberta's husband ran off with her friend, she did something even more unexpected. She moved to one of America's toughest neighborhoods.
Welcome to East Hall.
Her mission was to give kids who were struggling
Hey, no guns! No! Don't do that! Don't do that!
the hope, the pride, and the power to make something of themselves.
My son's got more important things to do than learn dead white men's music.
You know, when he plays music, his whole face lights up. You should see that.
I am holding on by a thread.
Stop, 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 stop! My God, you sound terrible. Is anybody practicing at all?
How can we practice? We're rehearsing all the time.
Isabel Vasquez, second grade.
Oh, why are you being so nice to me?
Ulterior motives. I want my daughter in your class next year.
If I'm here next year.
You will be.
We heard you got fired.
You what? Is this true?
The Board of Ed cut the budget. You know damn well I've been standing by you all these years. You think I haven't noticed what you've done for these kids?
You gotta really think about this. If I decide to fight this, we could lose the house, your college plans.
Now, she's enlisted 2 friends
You lost your mind?
to do what no one else dared.
I don't know how we're going to do this. It's huge.
Take on the system.
But that I'd like to see.
You will. They're wrong, and they're going to get a big fight.
Miramax Films presents 2-time Academy Award winner Meryl Streep,
I would like you all to play from here.
Aidan Quinn, Gloria Estefan, and Academy Award nominee Angela Bassett in an extraordinary true story, The Music of My Heart.
It's the music of my...
Now available on video and DVD.
Following previous chapter, Volume Motion Picture Association America.
From Kevin Williamson, the writer of Scream and Scream 2. From Robert Rodriguez, the director of From Dusk Till Dawn, comes a new science fiction thriller.
No more pencils, no more books, no more teachers' dirty looks.
The students at Harrington High have always suspected their teachers were from another planet.
Is this gonna be on the test?
This is the test.
This time, they're right. Now, these 6 students won't just question authority. They'll have to destroy it. Critics are calling it hip and scary. A thrilling ride from beginning to end. The Faculty.
Please report to the principal's office.
Following previous chapter, Volume Motion Picture Association America.
When they needed help,
Ricky, somebody's coming.
Roadside assistance?
I don't think so.
he appeared out of nowhere.
Hello, 2 people! Are you in trouble and in need of my help? Thank you. No. I'm coming over there. Stay there. You need my help? Oh, no. What is he doing?
Now he just won't go away.
My name's G.
It's nice to meet you.
Oh, it's such a treat. Take care. Hi, everybody. My name is G. I'm trying to overcome my fear of flying. I can hypnotize you right now, and you'll never ever fear flying again. Attention. This is your captain speaking. God help us! We're gonna crash! Try this. It's very refreshing. Homemade. Was it peach? Most of my urine. Whoa! It's a joke. It's herbal tea. Psych your mind.
Meet God's gift.
What if you went on my network?
You want me to sell things for you on television?
Amen.
To home shopping.
It's the G-Spot, a higher state of consciousness and non-stop shopping. Showtime. I know just what they want.
He gave him the chainsaw. Eddie Murphy.
New Instatuck, the non-surgical do-it-yourself facial toner.
You know, this looks a lot like a battery.
Well, it does, but don't do that. You'll get wired. Yeah. Don't do that.
Mayday. May I see the remote control unit? Ooh, don't hand your life over to him. Surprise!
He's electrocuting Morgan Fairchild. Holy man.
Let her go, man, let her go.
Following previous chapter, Volume Motion Picture Association America.
What happened? Who did it? And why?
Next week is the 10th anniversary of the whole shooting incident.
Throw away your expectations and discover the truth behind the mystery in a magical trip back to a time when the glam scene rocked. And the outrageous fashions, music, and action shocked the world. Ewan McGregor, Jonathan Rhys-Meyers, Tony
Collette and Christian Bale, Velvet Goldmine. Now available on video cassette.
The following previous after volume shows in Motion Picture Association America.
There's something wrong here with you and Mystery Man. Oh, he's gonna have a big impact on you, Lena.
Funny thing about relationships, you know where you've been.
Oh, open it. Oh, your toothpick.
Yeah, it came this morning. Isn't it great?
Yeah, it's nice. It's just a little small.
You think you know where you're going.
It was innocent. Jack was just being Jack.
He had his hands all over you.
But no matter how much you love someone,
I mean, eventually we're gonna get married. I mean, definitely we're gonna get married. Eventually.
there's always someone else.
Elizabeth called and she said she's sorry she ended up staying at her mom's last night.
Have you decided?
I saw her with someone.
Tell me who it was.
I am absolutely not cheating on you.
Drew Barrymore, James LeGros, Jennifer Beals, Jon Stewart in the romantic comedy Wishful Thinking.
You didn't have to tell me. I saw the rest of it on Oliver's Place.
From the editor-in-chief of the Vanity Fair New Yorker.
I think a new century needs a new magazine and a new voice. One word. Talk, sing, think, create, find, investigate, simplify, understand, conversation, discussion, noise, chatter. Culture, news, TV, movie, fashion, entertainment, journalism, policy, technology, celebrity, fantasy, reality, how we live today, strains of modern life. Want to talk, we need to talk. Why talk? It's what we do. We talk to the office, on the phone, in restaurants, airports. Talk is who we are.
Talk, the new magazine from Miramax and Hearst.
And now, our feature presentation.
This sounds a modified original versions from format for your TV.